zip tie. Anything? No, the cold is making them crack. Ow! See where it broke? This tighter one, you can still barely hear it, but nothing like it was doing. And I got it turned off too.
So where's the other end of it?
It's got to be up in there somewhere. Because it comes from up there. So
We're gonna be froze up.
So
is that's the main one, right?
yeah. That's not gonna that's as tight as it's gonna go.
Oh, it'll be alright.
Just want to put one more on there. You want to turn it on and listen to it?